Hi, my name is Ilman. I'm a physical therapist. I would like to talk about different auscultation sound that you might hear in different conditions. For example, in cystic fibrosis, which is a chronic cough, you will hear a fine crackle. Fine crackle is an S3 sound, which is brief and discontinuous. It is very similar to when you pop a gift packet, right? The type of sound that you hear at that time, it is very similar to that. And patient who has atelectasis or pneumonia, you'll hear abnormal bronchial sound, especially when you're auscultating in the lower lobe. Okay, so remember, patient who has pneumonia, they have a lot of consolidation in their lungs, right? So you will hear very decreased breath sound, and you'll hear exactly the same sound in emphysema as well. You'll hear decreased breath sound, whereas in cystic fibrosis, you'll hear an increased breath sound. That's the difference, by the way. So uh, you might have heard about fremitus. Fremitus is an assessment that we do as a physical therapist, where we palpate the patient's chest, right, and we have them say something while let's say they're saying 99, right? We are palpating their chest, right? So it it is an indirect way for us to measure how much fluid they have in their lungs. So that is pretty much what fremitus is in a nutshell. So the point that I would like to make is patient who has pneumonia, they will have increased fremitus, whereas patient who has emphysema, they will have decreased fremitus, or even patient who has asthma, they will have decreased fremitus. Why? Because they're accumulating so much fluid in their lungs. So when they're saying something, let's say they're saying 99, and you're auscultating, not auscultating, like when you're like palpating, you won't hear a lot. So they will have decreased fremitus, both pneumonia and emphysema. They will have decreased fremitus. So that's pretty much it.